Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you what's gonna fit in the new Wavw Gen bag. So a couple weeks ago, I purchased my first new Wavw Gen bag from LV, and I purchased from the color called taupe. And it's really beautiful colors, but then it just make me feel like the color is a little bit too old for me, I think. So that's just my thought. So here I am. I have made another purchase on the new Wavw Gen bag, and this time I purchased it in the color black. So after I did the unboxing video on the new Wavw Gen bag, many of you have told me that I should do a video about what's fit in the bag. So here I am today. I am gonna introduce you guys to my new Wavw Gen bag. So this time is the color black, and I'm gonna show you what is gonna fit inside of this bag. I have heard some of you say that this bag doesn't fit a full-size wallet. To be honest, I thought that it's really big. So I don't know why it doesn't fit a full-size wallet. But on the other hand, I don't have a full-size wallet. I am not a wallet person. So I only have credit card holders. So I guess that's not gonna be a problem for me at all. So inside of here, I already have most of the items that I normally have with me, and if I ever switch out back, these are the items that I will always have included in any of the handbags that I have. So the first things, I just want to show you how I lay it out. So the thing that I always need to have is my keys holder. And also I have the sunglass that I have. So this is from the company, it's called TIJN. And I have a collaboration with them before, and they send me, you know, the sunglasses for free. And they are so beautiful, and I also love the packaging. It's fit on almost every handbag that I have. So I love it. So I put it right there. And then the keys holders is on the side. And I don't use the middle compartment, which is the zip pocket right here. But I mean, if I need some cash, I could totally leave the cash in there. And there is another, a slot right here. And that's where I put my credit card holder. For some reason, I never owned a wallet. I don't even have a full-size wallet at all, and I just don't feel the need of using it. So I like my credit card holder much better. And then I have a lipstick. So I have a lip balm and a lipstick with me all the time. I need them. I will never leave the house without lipstick. And I also have a small perfume bottle, and this is from Oscar de la Renta. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful, super cute, and it smells so soft. Oh my god, I just love it. And that's it. That's all I have in this bag. So I really love this bag in the black colors. Maybe because of the design of the quilting. It just looks so elegant, classy, and it does have a really good vintage vibe to it. And I love how shiny the gold hardware is against the black lambskin, actually calfskin. Black calfskin. And did I tell you how much I love this? Oh my god, it's just so puffy, but then it feels so thick and durable. So I just love these colors, and I feel like whenever I dress up or down, this bag It just make my look seem complete. It's just so unique and pretty, and it just make me look so elegant. It's a beautiful finish that I love to I could literally tell you how much I love the new Wavw bag from LV. I think that it's just so beautiful, elegant, and classy. And also, I feel that I have made the right purchase this time by buying the black colors. I just love it so much more than the two colors that I bought before. But the other colors also beautiful, but I don't think it's for me personally. I just don't like the grays undertone. But the black color, it just makes me so happy this time, and I am so in love. Yes, I am. So I just show you a couple of different ways that I could wear this bag, and for some reason I just think that every single way of wearing this bag, it just makes me look elegant, classy at all times. So I think that I make the right purchase. Even though some people have mentioned to me that this bag does resemble a bunch of other looking bag, but in the end, LV is LV. I don't think any other bag can really beat the new Wavw bag at this point. And also the price point is such a wonderful price for the full leather handbag, and it's under $3,000, and I think that is awesome. I'd rather spend this much money on the new Wavw bag rather than the puffy from the YSL or the Gucci Marmont. I think the Gucci Marmont is also an iconic bag that looks really similar to this, but the material that they are using, I heard tons and tons of complaints about it. Therefore, so many times I try to purchase this, but then after I read the reviews and everything, it just pushed me away. So I just never make the purchase until this bag came out, and I was like, oh, this is just so different, and this is just the combination, the look that, you know, my collection doesn't have. Therefore, I went and make the purchase right away, and I am super happy. And let me know if you have one of this and if you are happy with it as well. So let me know, give me a comment down below. That will be really helpful for my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would hope to see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.